Okay, this is a cast diagram trig question. It says solve sine of 2x minus 60 is equal to minus 0.5, and the range is from 0 to x to 360 degrees. Now the first thing I would do is change the range. So I'm going to rewrite, the x becomes 2x minus 60. So to get from x to 2x minus 60, you multiply by 2, then take away 60. So if you multiply 0 by 2, you get 0, then take away 60, you get minus 60. So that's where my range changes to. If you multiply 360 by 2, you get 720, and then take away 2, you get 660. And then the next thing I'm going to do is find what I call my basic angle. So to get your basic angle, BA, what you do, in this case, you do sine to the minus 1 of just 0.5. So you ignore the negative here, just ignore it. So sine to the minus 1 of 0.5, and that gets you 30 degrees. Okay, you then do your cast diagram. And for my cast diagram, the only thing I would mark on, I'd mark on my C, A, S, and T, and I'd mark on 0 degrees. Now I know this is 90, this would be 180, this would be 270, this would be back to 360, and so on. But I don't mark it again because I'm going to have to go round again. So let's just look at this. And typically, for one revolution, there's for one revolution, there are 2 solutions. So for 2 revolutions, there'll be 4 solutions. So that's what we should get in this one. So the first angle, first of all as well, it's in here and in here because sine was negative. So you mark on your 30 degrees. Now the first one I'm going to come to is if I go round this way, that's 180, and then another 30, so that will be 2x minus 60 is going to be equal to, what have I just said, 180 plus 30 is 210 degrees. The next one is going to be all the way around to here, that's 360, 30 degrees shy of 360, which is going to be 330. And then if we add 360 to those to another 2 turns, you're going to get 570, and 360, this one is going to give you 690. Now notice this last one is outside my range, so I'll put a wee X through it, and I know I'll probably have to go back, and if I'd gone back, that would have given me minus 30 degrees. So there's my 4 angles I have. Next thing you do, all of these bring the minus 60 across, so add 60, you'll have 270, you'll have 390, you'll have 630, and you'll have plus 30 degrees. And then the last thing, divide them all by 2, so that's going to be 135, that's going to be 195, that's going to be 315, and that's going to be 15 degrees. And they should be your 4 answers. And that is it. So that's a tricky enough wee cast diagrams question where you had to adjust your range and had to go from there.